आँखों में मस्ती शराब की, काली जुल्फों में रातें शबाब की, जाने आई कहाँ से टूट के मेरे दामन में पंखड़ी गुलाब की। हाय आँखों में मस्ती शराब की, काली जुल्फों में रातें शबाब की, जाने आई कहाँ से टूट के मेरे दामन में पंखड़ी गुलाब की। हाय आँखों में मस्ती शराब की।
This time I've decided to read out my latest Times of India column to you, because this time I've written about Talat Mahmood on his death anniversary, 9th of May. It is essentially about the importance of listening to Talat Mahmood in the lockdown, because it takes you to a very serene, reflective space in your mind, and that helps. So the title of my column this month is Talat Mahmood's Soothing Voice During the Lockdown. It's a voice that is often described as soft and soothing, a gentle presence tugging at your heartstrings, reaching the silence of your thoughts and whispering his magic into your ears. Talat Mahmood today is an unsung genius.
दिल मत वाला लाख संभाला, दिल मत वाला लाख संभाला, फिर भी किसी पर आ ही गया, शौक नजर से देखने वाला, शौक नजर से देखने वाला, प्यार का रोग लगा ही गया, दिल मत वाला लाख संभाला। नई उमंगे नया जमाना, नई तरंगे नया तराना, नई उमंगे नया जमाना, नई तरंगे नया तराना, मस्त नजर से तीर चला के, मस्त नजर से तीर चला के, कोई हमें तड़पा ही गया, दिल मत वाला लाख संभाला।
Sitting locked up in our homes, the corona pandemic has forced us to slow down and reflect on the finer nuances of life. We've gone back to playing board games with family, we've gone back to some collective cooking and cleaning, and listening to some soulful music together as well. And my pick for our most reflective times in our life today is Talat Mahmood's music.
सबसे मधुर वो गीत जिन्हें हैं, सबसे मधुर वो गीत जिन्हें हम दर्द के सुर में गाते हैं, हम दर्द के सुर में गाते हैं, जब हद से गुजर जाती है खुशी, आंसू भी छलकते आते हैं, आंसू भी छलकते आते हैं सबसे मधुर वो गीत।
I've heard and loved his voice all my life. I've also had the great fortune of meeting him in person as well. A genteel and charming man who personified all the emotions that his singing voice evoked. On his death anniversary today, I have a personal journey to share about this legend, who was my grand uncle, whom I fondly called as Bombay Nana. He was the voice of Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor, Dev Anand, Sunil Dutt and all the leading men of the film industry of the time. He was one of the first to bring the genre of ghazals into mainstream popular filmy music. And he was the pillar of the golden era, which was of the 1940s to the 1970s. The most handsome singer who acted in half a dozen films as well, and who inspired a generation of ghazal singers who followed, be it Mehdi Hasan, Jagjit Singh, Talat Aziz and several others who all looked up to him and were inspired by his voice to eventually become ghazal singers themselves.
कैसा जो पहलू में तू ही नहीं, मार डाले न दर्द जुदाई कहीं। रुत हंसी है तो क्या चांदनी है तो क्या, चांदनी जुल्म है और जुदाई सितम, शामे गम की कसम आज गमगी है हम। आ भी जा आज मेरे सनम, शामे गम की कसम।
Now, several years ago, while I was driving to my new studio, very reluctantly I was leaving behind my toddler who was running temperature, and I didn't feel like rushing to office, but I had to. I sat in my car and switched on the local radio station, and there it was, that glorious voice of my Bombay Nana singing on the radio, and as he did, in soothing all my worries and anxiety at that very moment. And that is when, in that brief single moment, I decided, at the traffic crossing sitting there, to create something out of his legacy, in gratitude for all the pride that we felt in being his family, for all the pride that I've felt in being his grandniece all my life. For almost 2 decades of being a TV newscaster and journalist, no one ever knew of my music legacy, and it was finally time to talk about it, because there was this unique tribute platform which was buzzing in my head, which had to be made and done. And the challenge was to engage our youngsters today, our young millennials, with music that was created in the heydays of their grandparents. So I wanted the millennials themselves to sing his songs today. I wanted them to do their flash mob and their contemporary dance in his original soundtracks and vintage songs. I also wanted today's millennial artists to paint his portrait in today's hyper contrasting colors that they use. As impossible as it seemed, we did manage to do all of this and more. Jashn-e-Talat, a special tribute platform, was created in 2016, and now we have about 8 grand events and concerts across big cities having taken in all these years.
इतना न मुझसे तू प्यार बढ़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, कैसे किसी का सहारा बनूं कि मैं खुद बेघर बेचारा। मुझे एक जगह आराम नहीं, रुक जाना मेरा काम नहीं। मुझे एक जगह आराम नहीं, रुक जाना मेरा काम नहीं। मेरा साथ कहाँ तक दोगी तुम, मैं देश विदेश का बंजारा। इतना न मुझसे तू प्यार बढ़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा, कैसे किसी का सहारा बनूं कि मैं खुद बेघर बेचारा। ये हवा ये रात ये चांदनी, तेरी एक अदा बेमिसाल है। ये हवा ये रात ये चांदनी, तेरी एक अदा बेमिसाल है। मुझे क्यों न हो तेरी याद, तेरी जुस्तजू में बहार है। ये हवा ये रात ये चांदनी।
And it is the responses that we've got from the youngsters which have really kept us going. They've got hooked to his music, his voice, and understood the beauty of the music of the golden era. Let me read out some of those responses. I feel that his songs should keep playing on and never end. This is what Shitama Jha has said, who's been a student of music at the Delhi College of Art. Another such young student, Jatin Sharma, has agreed with her, saying, "Singing his songs feels like I've lived the most beautiful part of music." Artist Anubhav Som, whose portrait art that you see here, he'd made this live on stage. He says, "When I listen to his voice, it reminds me of a train gently chugging over the hills amidst all the mist and the cool breeze." And another flash mob dancer, Ankit Shikhar, said that his voice creates a dreamy image of flowers, birds, and all things lovely. Today, Jashn-e-Talat is a platform which has both young as well as the established singers. We've had the good fortune of some beautiful selfless support that has come in from stalwarts such as Shobna Narayan, Talat Aziz, Radhika Chopra, Vidha Lal, Suhaila Kapoor, in all forms of their art. They have sung Talat Mahmood songs, they have danced on his songs and his music, and enacted, narrated his life story in a theatrical form as well, and also done visual arts live on stage. So this is what I recommend to you in this lockdown. Either revisit his music or try out his music if you haven't so. And you can read more about this in my column on that link right there.
उस वक्त की परंपरा के मुताबिक तलत अपनी फूफी यानी बुआ की छत्र छाया में बड़े हुए। तो जब उनके वालिद ने उन्हें फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन करने से रोका, फूफी जान ने उन्हें अपने ख्वाबों को सच्चाई में बदलने के लिए प्रेरित किया।